Welcome back to Amateur Hour. I'm Bree.
I'm Jordan.
And I'm gonna make him a drink today.
Heck yeah. No work for me.
Nope. I'm making a Winter Aperol Spritz. I love Aperol Spritzes. They're like a big craze right now, I think, with like girls my age.
Well, I'm like an old man because I've never had one.
Well, they're really good. I think you're gonna like it. And we're adding the silver rum, cranberry juice, and then a little bit of orange juice, fresh orange juice, just to make it like winter themed kind of.
That sounds good to me.
Let's make it. So I got my wine glasses full of ice, and we're going to do an ounce and a half of Aperol. So I'm gonna try not to splash
Yeah, last time you splashed a lot. Let's see if you've improved.
anything.
Okay.
All right.
2 for 2.
Then we're going to do an ounce of the silver rum.
I don't think I've had Aperol before.
It's like a bitter aperitif, I think that's what it's called. It's kind of bitter, but that's why I'm gonna sweeten it up a little bit with the silver.
I'm down.
All right.
Down to clam.
Will you slice up the orange for me?
Sure.
Slice it and then wheel it,
Slice it and then wheel it.
because I also need to juice it.
Slice it, wheel it, juice it. A lot of demands from you.
You're my helper.
Sure.
Cranberry juice. I am not splashing anything today.
I'm impressed.
I know,
This
me
is a
too.
new high for Bree. Typically all over the place. We'll have a puddle in here we have to find a way to clean up.
All right, I'll take one of those halves. I'm gonna juice it. Oh my gosh. Let's see. I'm not very strong.
You're getting it.
Just a little bit in each.
There you go.
Sweeten it up, I think.
Sweet.
And then,
We'll work out here. Okay.
just like a slice.
Sorry, I got a little distracted.
Perfect.
These?
Slice it and then wheel it.
Yep, that
Okay.
works. And then I'm just gonna kind of put those in there. We have to open the Prosecco.
Are you
A little
scared?
hard. I am.
You were
very
scared last time and nothing happened, so.
I know, but this one actually has a cork in it. I'm so scared it's gonna go.
I think you can do it. You can do it. Just don't point it at the camera.
I'll point it over here.
Yeah.
I've never opened champagne.
Really?
Never. I'm always too scared. I always get my friends to do it.
It's not that big a deal.
I think you should point it at the camera.
We've nearly destroyed the camera before. We might as well try now.
How do I?
We got a backup.
Isn't it gonna like fly everywhere?
I mean, you haven't shaken it up, so it's probably not
Oh
gonna.
my gosh, I'm like not strong though. I'm like really scared.
You got it, Bro. You're nailing this.
Oh my god.
Double.
2 thumbs, 2 thumbs.
I'm really trying.
You can do it.
Oh my god.
There you go.
Here you go. Hell yeah.
No!
That's what you want.
I know.
That's the fun part.
And then
That's the Brie I know.
I'll go slower on this one.
There you go. Corrected.
Put a little
Nice.
more in here.
It smells awesome.
Right? I think the orange juice helps a lot. They're not normally made like that. My hands are covered in Prosecco. Yeah, let's stir it up.
Really nailing it, Brie.
I've seen you brew witch's potions. You can stir a little bit more.
This is my elf potion, okay?
Elf.
Yeah. Elf! Let's give it a try.
Okay. Here's to you.
Cheers.
This looks all nice and pretty. Oh, that's nice. I can see why this is trendy.
It's very
Especially with
addicting.
22-year-old girls. Definitely feel like that when I drink it.
I don't like bitter drinks, but I love Aperol for some reason.
It's
I'm
crispy.
gonna try Ravi.
Where'd mine go? Some sort of off-screen goblin took it. Ah, it's back.
Super simple. You just add 3 ingredients that normally aren't in there and you're good. Thanks for letting me experiment with you.
Anytime. Recipe will be in the description below, right?
Yes, of course, like always.
Yeah, and in addition, obviously check out all our other drinks from Amateur Hour and Inebriated, and check out our How To series where we show you how to do stuff in our distillery. That's awesome. And then definitely look at the mill to still video, or still to mill, I guess. Where we're moving mill to still, yeah.
Mill to
Where we're turning the mill into a still, and we're moving everything in here. And eventually, you'll be able to join us for drinks in
Here.
this room.
Right here.
The bar will be where you're standing right now, camera. Thanks for hanging out.
See you guys
We'll see you next time.
Cheers. So f***ing good.
It was pretty tasty.